Hey there! Today on Dude's Tech, we're diving into the top 3 best RC stunt cars, packed with flips, lights, and all-terrain action that kids will love. Let's get started! Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Jovow RC stunt cars. Jovow RC stunt cars bring a thrilling new dimension to remote-controlled play, combining advanced technology with dynamic performance. These cars utilize 2.4 GHz transmission technology, allowing for highly responsive control over long distances. Beyond a standard controller, the innovative gesture-controlled watch lets players steer by simply tilting their wrist under 90 degrees, creating a more interactive and engaging experience. Designed for ultimate versatility, the stunt car features unique roller traction tires that enable smooth drifting in all directions, sideways movement, 360-degree spins, and 45-degree angled driving. Its off-road mode ensures seamless performance across sand, grass, mud, rocks, and other challenging terrains, making it an adaptable companion for any adventure. The Jovow RC stunt car also emphasizes visual and auditory excitement. Colorful lights and music effects accompany its four-wheel drive capabilities, double-sided driving, and impressive drifting skills. Users can freely switch between on-road and off-road modes, enhancing the range of stunts and maneuvers possible. Built for lasting play, the car includes a high-capacity rechargeable battery, ensuring extended sessions of fun without frequent interruptions. The remote itself operates with 2 standard AA batteries, providing convenient power management. This combination of innovative controls, robust design, and thrilling stunts makes Jovow RC stunt cars a favorite choice for children aged 6 to 12, delivering endless entertainment for young enthusiasts eager to master every twist and turn. With its blend of advanced technology, durability, and exciting features, the Jovow RC stunt car transforms ordinary playtime into a high-energy adventure, allowing kids to explore, experiment, and enjoy every stunt with ease. Coming in at number 2, we have the Terucle RC stunt cars. Terucle RC stunt cars bring a thrilling new dimension to remote-controlled racing with their upgraded features and striking design. These cars are equipped with colorful strip lights that flash in various frequencies and can cycle through 7 different colors, making every race a visually exciting experience. The lights add style and energy, turning every stunt and drift into a dazzling show. Designed for action, the Terucle RC stunt car performs full 360-degree rotations and supports double-sided racing. This innovative design allows the car to flip effortlessly and continue moving, conquering obstacles with ease. The durable construction ensures that the car withstands bumps, jumps, and crashes, while reinforced tires provide reliable traction across a variety of surfaces, including sand, grass, dirt, pavement, and indoor floors. Ease of operation makes this RC car ideal for both beginners and young enthusiasts. Its 2.4 GHz frequency system allows multiple cars to race simultaneously without interference, providing a smooth and responsive experience. The integrated demonstration button lets the car put on its own stunt show, adding another layer of fun to playtime. Whether it's a casual race in the backyard or an indoor stunt session, the Terucle RC stunt car combines vibrant lighting, dynamic movements, and all-terrain durability into one captivating package. This RC car elevates playtime with its unique blend of performance, style, and user-friendly controls, ensuring endless entertainment for kids and hobbyists alike. The Terucle RC stunt car isn't just a toy. It's an experience where speed, stunts, and color come together to create exciting and unforgettable racing moments. And finally, at number 1, we have the Threeking RC stunt cars. Threeking RC stunt cars redefine the excitement of remote-controlled vehicles with their dynamic features and colorful design. Unlike ordinary RC cars, these stunt cars can perform flips and drive on both sides, effortlessly climbing over or navigating around small obstacles. This unique capability ensures that rollovers no longer interrupt play, offering kids an engaging and versatile driving experience that captures the thrill of action-packed racing. Designed for children aged 6 to 12, these cars make a lively and memorable gift. The visual appeal of the Threeking RC stunt cars is enhanced by breathing headlamps and soft lights that automatically change colors, creating a dazzling display while protecting young eyes. With multiple color options available, each child can select a car that matches their personal style, making every play session more exciting. Powerful electric motors provide instantaneous explosive power, while high-quality tires with shock absorption, strong grip, and anti-skid features ensure the car moves smoothly over various surfaces. Whether racing indoors or outdoors, the car's performance remains energetic and thrilling. Playing is made even simpler with a one-click demo mode, allowing kids to enjoy a show immediately. The single-side joystick offers precise control over the wheels on one side, introducing a unique differential driving experience. Built for longevity, these stunt cars use high-quality ABS plastic and durable motors secured with multiple screws, promising extended play without easy damage. The dual joystick controller operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, providing excellent anti-interference performance and the ability to race up to 6 cars simultaneously with a range of up to 160 feet. With Threeking RC stunt cars, fun, excitement, and colorful action come together in one versatile, long-lasting package that kids will love. That's some serious stunt action. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech.